Remote jobs, top 5 ways to work from anywhere. Are you dreaming of earning an income while exploring the world? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 businesses for would-be modern nomads to start right now. Wherever you plan to be, on a beach, in a bustling city, or at a serene mountaintop resort, these strategies will help you work from anywhere. If we haven't met yet, I'm Tanya from Nomadic Income, where we discuss opportunities and tools that allow you to live anywhere and earn everywhere. I always prefer digital businesses where I can grow assets that belong to me, independent of social media platforms or large online marketplaces. This means that as we discuss my top 5, ventures that are wholly dependent on social media are not included. So let's get into it. Here are my top 5. And stick around for my number 1 pick. It's one you probably haven't considered. Number 5, dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can offer physical products without the burden of inventory or a brick-and-mortar location. It's perfect for those who value flexibility. It's easy to get started. You set up an online store on a platform like Shopify or from inside WordPress. And when a product is sold, you purchase it from your supplier, who ships it directly to your customer. Some of the benefits of having a business in dropshipping is that you have low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory up front, and that helps reduce financial risk. It's also location independent. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to run your business. Next, dropshipping is scalable. It's easy to add products to your store without worrying about inventory management. Here are a few of the cons about dropshipping. 1, thin profit margins. Because you don't buy in bulk, profit margins can be lower. The solution here is to focus on niche markets where you can add value, or choose high-margin products. Next, supplier reliability. Dependence on suppliers for order fulfillment can lead to issues if they don't deliver on time. Here, it's best to work with multiple suppliers to ensure backup options and build strong relationships with reliable partners. Another option is to make sure that you source products from your home country, which will mean faster shipping times and happier customers. Dropshipping is also highly competitive. Dropshipping is popular, which means that many companies may offer similar products. The solution is to differentiate your brand with exceptional customer service, unique product offerings, or by adding value with informative content or bundles. Number 4, blogging or vlogging. For those who love creating content and connecting with an audience, blogging or vlogging is a rewarding path. But I want you to think in terms of months and years, not weeks. Yes, you could go viral, but it's best to plan for long-term growth. But here are some of the great things about blogging and vlogging. First, you have creative freedom. You get to share your unique voice and passions with the world. You have diverse monetization options. You can earn through ads, through sponsored posts, or by selling products. You also get the opportunity to build a loyal community and engage with like-minded people and grow a dedicated audience. The downside to blogging and vlogging, it's time intensive. Creating quality content consistently takes a significant amount of time. The solution here, you may want to hire a virtual assistant to help with editing or with social media management or even with research. Sometimes there is delayed monetization. As I mentioned earlier, it can take months or years to build an audience large enough to generate substantial income. The solution is to start with multiple revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing or freelance writing to supplement your income while you're growing an audience. Next, there may be technical challenges. Learning to use editing software, SEO, and website management can be daunting for beginners. It's best to invest some time in online courses or join communities that offer support and guidance to speed up your learning curve. If tech is a big issue for you, consider outsourcing some of that work. Number three, course creation. Course creation lets you capitalize on your experience and knowledge. One of the great things about course creation is that it creates passive income potential. Once created, an online course is a valuable business asset. Next, it has a high perceived value. People are willing to pay for structured, high quality educational content. Having an online course also creates authority. It establishes you as an expert in your field. Now, for some of the things that are a downside, it's time consuming to set up. Developing a comprehensive course requires significant time and effort. One of the solutions here is to use a step-by-step approach and outline your course before creation. It's also good to consider launching a pilot version so that you have feedback and can immediately improve on your course. Next, marketing is required. Without effective marketing, your course may not reach your targeted audience. It's good to leverage existing platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or collaborate with influencers, or offer a free webinar to drive interest. An online course will also require ongoing updates. You may need to update your course content regularly to keep it relevant. Schedule periodic reviews and update based on feedback and industry changes so that your course stays relevant. And if you're using software or online platforms in your how-to sections, it's best to check those parts regularly to make sure that they stay current. Number two, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers promote products, both digital and physical, on behalf of others. Platforms like ClickBank and JVZoo are perfect for finding products to market. And using sites like muncheye.com can help you find products as they launch. Some of the great things about affiliate marketing is one, no product creation. You promote existing products without the need to create your own. It's flexible. You can choose products that align with your interest and with your audience. And it's scalable. It's easy to increase your earnings by promoting more products or expanding your audience. Here are some of the things to watch out for. One, you're dependent on commissions. Your income relies on the sales made through your affiliate links. It's best to diversify your income streams by promoting multiple products and platforms or combining affiliate marketing with other business models. Affiliate marketing is competitive, and many affiliate marketers may be promoting the same products that you are. It's best to focus on niche markets and provide genuine reviews and create valuable content in order to stand out from your competition. Delayed payments are another issue with affiliate marketing. Commissions are often paid out 30 to 60 days after a sale is made. And why this becomes a problem is that if you have ad spend, you've already spent that money. The solution here is to budget accordingly and build a buffer of savings to cover your operating expenses during those waiting periods. Number one, here's my top pick: direct sales and network marketing. You might be thinking, no way, how would I do that while traveling? Well, what if I told you that you could do it completely online without constantly searching for new leads? Think about it almost like an affiliate marketing offer. You take a high-quality product offering from a direct sales company and you use digital marketing strategies to promote it. Now, here are some of the great things about direct sales. Once again, there's no inventory management. The company handles product shipping and inventory. You have access to great training. Many of these companies offer training and marketing materials to help you succeed. And one of the best things is community support. One of the downsides to working independently is that you don't have anyone working with you or a support system. Because of the way network marketing companies are structured, you will find that you get a lot of help from your team. Now, let's look at the downside. One, there are reputation challenges. Network marketing has a stigma due to some of the early unethical characters or companies in the business. However, I find that most direct sales companies today are modern in their approach to transparency. The best solution is to choose reputable companies with a proven track record and ethical business practices. There is a learning curve in direct sales. You may need to learn new skills to effectively use online marketing strategies. A solution here is to invest in training and resources to help you master digital marketing techniques and seek out mentorship from successful network marketers. Next, you have company dependence. Your business is tied to the company's products and their policies. The solution here is to make sure you understand the company's policies and create a personal brand for yourself that can adapt if you need to pivot to different products or to different companies. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What remote business opportunities are you most interested in exploring? In this series, we'll dive deeper into each of the strategies for earning income while traveling. You can join me in the next video to discover more about how to find winning products for dropshipping. See you there.